You know you need to evolve your solution to keep up with the fast-moving world we live in, but it's not always easy. There's a lot to consider. This is the story of an innovative company from Iceland. They had a strong brand and a thriving e-commerce business built on Shopify, but they faced a critical roadblock. Their existing personalization software was outdated, expensive, and couldn't integrate smoothly with their store. They needed a powerful modern solution that would plug seamlessly into the system they already loved. So, what did they do? First, they chose a partner built for flexibility. Instead of going with a rip and replace approach, they used Printbox's robust API to integrate our powerful editors directly into their Shopify store. This gave them a trusted e-commerce platform, now supercharged with a world-class personalization engine. But their growth wasn't just about technology. They invested heavily in smart marketing, and here's where the partnership really shined. Their advertising specialists proactively reached out to our team to discuss conversion improvements and exchange industry insights. That's exactly the kind of relationship we aim for, one where we grow together. The results? A 30% year-over-year increase in sales and a 100% increase in photobook creations, supported by Printbox as they expanded their offer. This is what happens when a great strategy meets the right technology, because the proper integration doesn't just connect systems, it connects strategies. If you're ready to enhance your e-commerce store with powerful and flexible personalization, let's talk.